Hello, I'm Nigel, your Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm here at Oracle Open World and I'm joined by Michelle and Mike from PwC. And guys, we're talking tax, right?
Yes.
The thing we never want to pay. Okay, so I know that you guys talk about the tax function of the future. So maybe, Michelle, you can tell us a bit about what that really means.
What we mean by that, if you break that down, is we're talking about people,
Right.
process, technology, but we're really focused on is data. Because that is really the key, one of the key drivers in terms of what threads all the different pieces together. And we have developed or brought some insights into the trends that we're seeing in terms of what companies are doing and how they're designing this tax function of the future and how they're working with technology.
Okay, so that's the sort of the data's one of the issues, but I know you talk about there being some significant trends.
Yes.
So Mike, what are those significant trends in tax?
What we're seeing in this space is definitely, I think, doing more with less is a big topic that our clients are wrestling with. The other big area is how do they accomplish, given that regulatory landscape today, the bright light is on this area, right? There's a big challenge as it relates to how are companies getting greater transparency, how are they complying with the regulatory landscape of reporting, how are they going to be more effective at bringing enterprise value to the company. So one big topic that we're seeing our clients as they start to really take a step back and look at a measured approach for moving forward, tax is one of those areas that can deliver real enterprise value. What I mean by that, you can monetize the ROI
Right.
of the case, because moving the percentage point of what's called ETR, which is a key performance indicator, by 1 percentage point for many of our largest companies translates to millions of dollars in program cost deflection opportunity, if you will, to fund these programs.
So tax is real money.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, real money. So given that we have this tax office of the future, we have these mega trends. I guess the thing we're talking about all the time here at Open World is the cloud.
Yes.
So how does the cloud come into play when you talk about those tax trends and the tax office?
So why not only finance but tax is excited about cloud is really there's an opportunity for companies to start over.
Right.
Start fresh, right? And rather than dealing with historical systems that needs to be maintained, updated, and it's costing a lot of money, you really have a chance to really look at all the data
Right.
across the different functions and the stakeholders, and you have one source of the truth, and that's why I think cloud really creates that opportunity for many companies.
Cloud also gives them the opportunity that they can get stuff done more quickly.
Yes.
They can really get that alignment
Quick to
right.
realization, right, is one of the big topics, I think, for cloud, is that the ability to stand up a solution in a very reasonable period of time, so we're not measuring projects in the future in terms of months or years, but weeks.
Right.
Right, so quick time to realization, quick time to really achieve that mission critical type of reporting issue that you're addressing with. And I think that you guys are doing a fantastic job with some of the solutions. Just this week we set in with one of our customer success stories with one of our clients, talking about how they've adopted some of these solutions around provision accounting, around transfer pricing. And I know with the tax cloud reporting services coming out, this is a new, we're kind of just running against the frontier, if you will, around what's the next, kind of the next platform.
Yeah, the other thing is, tax no longer the poor relation when it comes to systems, really.
That's right.
Yeah, there's a real opportunity for them to embrace the cloud and make some big differences.
So while they've been behind in finance,
Yeah.
in terms of the timing, but I think they're catching up fast, and they're really recognizing and raising their hand and saying, you know what, they're really the ones pushing for this new opportunity.
They can almost jump
Yes,
a generation
ahead.
of technology.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Okay, guys, well, thank you very much for sharing that with us. Really enjoyed discussing it with you, and hopefully talk to you again soon.
Great. Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.